Good morning, everyone. My name is Akash, and this is Know Your Bicycle. So today we are at Mysore Cafe again, and to our surprise, we got one of our customers here at Mysore Cafe. His name is Anuj Khanduja ji, and he bought Move from us last year. And let's hear from him how has been his experience on this particular electric bike, which he got for himself for all the possible reasons like working out, taking the groceries, and everything. So let's hear from him. How has been your experience, sir?
Let me first unlock it.
Oh wow, that was a master move.
It was great meeting you, Akash, today after
Yeah,
a long time.
thank you.
I came today because I wanted to just practice the way. So I lost my way last time because we're meeting tomorrow. So it's been awesome. I've done, let's see, I've done how much?
So let's check it out.
Let me boast first. I know they are bigger.
Oh, so it's around 1507
Yes.
kilometers, which is a good one.
And what I've earned is absolute freedom. Total freedom. I mean, I can't explain, there's huge amount of motivation the moment I think that I have to go out and, go anywhere. One time I got a range of around 219 kilometers, and this is not exaggeration. Of course, you have to make some changes in the way you ride it.
Yeah, because of the voltage cuts off and you
Yes.
go all the way on your own physical inputs.
Yes.
True.
So if you do pedal assist 1 or 2 and you set the gear to 2 and 6, you can achieve a minimum of 100 plus kilometers if you're like kind of overweight. But if you're like normal weight, just like you, then I don't know. I need to get down to that weight first. But
Mine is also
I'm-
not that on the lower side though somehow.
Every day I just feel that I have to hop onto this one, and it gives me those those hair raising kind of chilling thing. And the moment I step onto it, I just don't feel. Initially, I had some hang-ups that can I go for like 20 kilometers, 30 kilometers, and things like that. But now it's like okay, my next thing is to actually touch Vrindavan and come because I got 219 once. So
Oh
I'm
wow.
thinking.
Oh wow, lovely.
Depending on how the if the with Corona stuff and all that, if everything is fine, then I'm gonna try that one.
Oh lovely.
That's the confidence which
Building up inside.
Yes, absolutely. And of course, I lost a few kgs.
Definitely, and I think a lot of customers have told us that they have somehow cut down the diabetic, that the levels of sugar also in their body,
yes.
and that has helped them to have that active mindset through and throughout the day once they start off their day on one of the electric bike rides. So that has definitely helped them out.
Mindset change. I mean, I don't feel there's a flyover coming, you don't care. There's a lot of potholes coming. Beautiful suspensions, front and back.
No doubts.
You can adjust them, and it's just amazing. There's no single iota, and I'm not kind of overselling it because I'm too enthusiastic about it. And it's been like 8 months now. It's
Okay.
8 months old bike, and if you see there's a pothole coming, I don't worry about it. If there's a smooth road, then I know that I'm just gonna zoom that. So the kind of experience it brings the child in me out.
Very well put.
Lights are put.
Very well put.
12 lights.
So
It's a holistic thing. So it's a growth. It's a inner growth as well, along with the cycle. So it's become my extension right now.
wow, and I think that you very well put it. And now we can have a look at the bike and figure out how this bike has actually turned into a primary vehicle for Anuj. As you can see that we have indicators also at the on the bike. Can you just demonstrate one? I just want to show the viewers that how easily you can ask for sides on the road while moving, and you can see.
Wireless,
So that's a wireless one, and plus, where you can keep your bottle holder on the handle mounted.
Yeah.
Side mirrors, which is very important. You can get one for yourself also. Plus, I can see that for a bike to be going around for at least 50 to 70 kilometers, I think an electric bike would definitely help you out easily to achieve that distance. And obviously on the workout side, Anuj has very well said that you can get that minimum workout in a day on your bike in case you are choosing an electric bike over a motorized vehicle where you are not getting any workout at all. So what do you think, Anuj? Your experience so far has been tremendous, as you have said. But then looking forward to the EV segment in India, do you think that this sector is actually booming and more people who are actually smart riders are coming down to electric bikes?
Actually, along with the government initiative, that's a bigger aspect of the cars and two-wheelers. I think for bicycles specifically, we don't need an extensive infrastructure.
True.
So bicycle driven electric culture can actually give a lift to the two-wheeler, the other two-wheeler segment and the four-wheeler segment. So I feel that if there are huge amount of electric cycles on the road, that can make a case study for
Other
for
EVs.
organizations and EV companies, where they can say that okay, the behavior and the mindset is changing. People do want to ride that, and of course they don't want to miss the race, because otherwise if people start to get the habit of this thing, they'll say okay, I don't want to buy a bike, I don't want to buy a petrol one, I don't want to buy an electric motorbike as well. So they might have this is just my gut feeling. They might feel that it's critical to invest in that kind of a behavioral kind of a change.
One thing to share for a fact, a customer of ours, which I'll share later in the video, has actually gotten our bike, and he was very much inclined towards buying an Ola electric, because he thought of going for a Ola electric scooter.
Oh, yes, funny.
But then the moment I told him that once the battery ran out on a Ola scooter, there is no other way to drag it, to dhakka jana hi padega. On the other hand, on an electric bicycle, you will always have a reason to pedal it out. There is a way to pedal it out.
And even if you're going outside the city and things like that, there is always a dhaba. Just plug in.
I know.
It's a normal charger, and it can easily fit in this dicky.
I know. So if,
So that's what I'm saying. The critical point is no infrastructure
Yeah.
needed. Behavioral change can happen.
definitely.
So
Lovely. So thank you so much, Anuji, and it was pleasure meeting you. And we are meeting again tomorrow, because tomorrow, guys, 19th September, Sunday, we are meeting here again, and it's gonna be our e-Motorrad meet, right? Basically, it's gonna be all the people who have bought our bikes will be meeting here at this place, and we'll be sharing their experiences, and it's gonna be a wonderful time ahead. So let's cheer out for all of those moments, and let's get going. And thank you so much for viewing this, and you can have a good look at the bike again, how beautifully he has turned this around for him, and beautiful it is. I can see some around 12 odd lights in it, and this bike looks beautiful.
we'll do a just. I'll send you a picture in the night.
Oh, lovely. Do share that. Thank you so much.